make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
They'll probably never understand me. Sick of just walking around pretending I'm happy. Feel like collapsing from all the weight that I carry, but I just keep it pushing and pop me another Xanny. Know it's sad, but I remember as a kid it was rough. Always thought we had it all, what I was missing was love. Now I was drowning in some waters that were thicker than blood. Still they wonder how the fuck I got addicted to drugs. Damn, but they don't get that I'm avoiding feeling pain. Only time I feel alive is when there's poison in my veins. Mama telling me to look at what I'm doing to myself, but I just wanna be fucking happy like everybody else. They looking down on me like I'm the fucking villain. I don't wanna talk about it, I know they don't wanna listen. I was only trying to make up for the feeling I was missing. If I'm only feeling pain, tell me what's the point of living? Every day I'm waking up and trying to deal with the stress. And I've been acting like I'm happy when my life is a mess. And all I know is that I got this fucking pain in my chest. And I would love to get clean, but I'm too fucking depressed. Damn, mom was panicking and losing her faith. Came to tell me about a rehab in a beautiful place. She said, just checking up if you was awake. She broke down when she seen her son blue in her face and thought, no one ever told me it would be this hard. Never really thought that it would take my life, no. I just want the pain to fucking go away. Hey, hey, hey. Once upon a time we were the happiest couple. Knew we always had each other, never had any trouble. Always had each other's backs if we happened to struggle. I left some people in the past and they were mad that I loved you. Said it's only puppy love, I knew that wasn't the case. I remember getting nervous when I brought you on dates. Conversations about the future and copping our own place. Talking about the day you be sharing my last name. I think I've loved you since the time that we met. You had my heart and to be honest, you was taking my breath. All my homies said that I became a little obsessed. Never thought that you would dip and leave me fucking depressed. Damn, how could you leave me, girl? I thought you were the one. Treated you like a queen, never lied to you once. Now I feel like I'm drowning and there's water filling my lungs. I don't wanna be alone, I'm afraid of who I'll become. You're gone and I fucking hate it, I feel like I'm suffocating. You ripped my fucking heart out and never tried to replace it. Now when I think about you, all I feel is disgust. You were all I ever wanted, thanks for fucking it up. Everybody that's around me knowing something is wrong. They always try to tell me love's the strongest drug of them all. You know what? I'ma go and see for myself. Let me pop a couple Xannies, I'ma see if it helps. Oh my God, I think I finally feel alive again. Oh my God, I think I'm finally about to smile again. And I just started sleeping better at night. I think I finally found the feeling of what heaven is like. They're getting rid of all my stress when I'm torn. And I can tell that they're relieving all my pressure for sure. Till my dealer told me that he couldn't get me anymore. Now I'm feeling way sicker than I ever did before. Shit, I can't even take a brief intermission without me throwing up a feeling like a piece of me's missing. There was a time I needed love, now I need a prescription. I'm done with living like this, I'd rather lethal injection. Cause all I think about is pills when I open my eyes. And every day I'm waking up and feeling broken inside, when all I really wanted was to feel happy for once. But now I'm losing myself and losing my family's trust. Damn, I really think these drugs have taken my soul. Probably pop them till they put me in the grave and I'm cold. But I can't point any fingers, I know the blame is my own. I got addicted to a bitch and that's a fate that I chose.
No one ever told me it would be this hard. Never really thought that it would take my life, no. I just want the pain to fucking go away.